6-Month GRE Masterplan. Unlock your potential. Hello, dedicated learners. Today, we're diving deep into a 6-month GRE study plan. Whether you're starting from scratch or aiming to push your scores even higher, this guide is tailor-made for you. With a bit of commitment, this plan can be your key to GRE success. 6 months might seem like a lot of time, but the GRE is no ordinary exam. It assesses verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, analytical writing, and critical thinking. Given the breadth of these areas, 6 months provides a balanced timeframe to not just learn, but also to practice and perfect. Week 1 to 8, Foundation Building. Verbal Reasoning. Start with basic vocabulary. Flashcards can be a great tool. Quantitative Reasoning. Brush up on basic math concepts, algebra, and geometry. Analytical Writing. Begin by understanding the GRE essay structure. Week 9 to 16, Intermediate Learning. Verbal Reasoning. Introduce reading comprehension and sentence equivalence tasks. Quantitative Reasoning. Dive into data interpretation and quantitative comparisons. Analytical Writing. Practice writing and seek feedback. Week 17 to 24, Advanced Learning and Mock Tests. Verbal Reasoning. Focus on complex reading passages and arguments. Quantitative Reasoning. Dive deeper into advanced mathematical problems. Analytical Writing. Refine your essays with precision and clarity. Week 25 to 32, Review and Targeted Practice. Identify weak areas from mock tests and address them. Prioritize practice on areas that are consistently challenging. Week 33 to 40, Timed Mock Tests and Analysis. Simulate the real exam environment with full-length timed mock tests. Review each test thoroughly. Understand not just what you got wrong, but why. Week 41 to 48, Final Preparations. Wind down the heavy study sessions. Focus on mental well-being and confidence-building exercises. Take at least 2 to 3 days off before the exam to relax. 1. Set clear milestones. Know what you aim to achieve by the end of each month. 2. Stay consistent. It's better to study a bit daily rather than cramming. 3. Seek peer support. Engage in study groups or online GRE communities. 4. Stay updated. Occasionally, test formats or question types may be updated, so stay informed. 5. Mind your health. Regular sleep, a balanced diet, and exercise can significantly boost your learning capacity. There you have it, a comprehensive 6-month GRE study plan. Remember, the journey is long, but with dedication and the right strategies, success is within reach. We hope this guide serves as a valuable tool in your GRE preparation. Best of luck, and happy studying!